Yeah, everyone. Where are you? Hasnain Hussain is there. Ali Asghar is there. Yes.
What do you have to make, ma'am?
कोसे
बनाने का मैम हम लोग को
क्या करने का है? तुम लोग को नहीं, ईवीएस का टेस्ट लिखने का है.
अरे एक सेकंड रुको, मम्मी ने पूछ रही मेरा मम्मी नंबर कब दिए? वो अनीसा आंटी का.
हेलो हेलो.
आप ईवीएस का टेस्ट है?
ओ मैं ले रही हूँ ना ईवीएस का टेस्ट.
मैम बीएस मैम नहीं, आर्ट्स मैम है, याद रखो.
हेलो अली असगर.
ईवीएस मैम होते तो फरहाना मैम होते.
फरहाना मैम का है पर ईवीएस के नेहा मैम है ना.
रुको नंबर बोलो. अरे क्या हो गया?
अच्छा लिसन लिसन लिसन. अभी आज हम क्या करने वाले थे? यू ऑल नो दैट व्हाट वी आर लर्निंग टुडे. टेल मी what we are making today. One minute, I'll show you what we are doing today. देखिए, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? So these are organic shapes character. जो organic shapes मैंने सिखाए थे ना आपको, irregular shapes are called organic shapes. So these are with irregular shapes, cartoon characters. So we'll see with the shapes also. See one more picture I'll share with you. Hello shapes brother, where are you? See, I'm sharing a picture with you now. Can you see this, everyone?
Number 1, number 2. देखो 9 देखो 9 4 7.
Hello. Hello, can you hear me? So can you see the pictures?
9
Okay, fine. So these things we are going to learn today. Okay? What happened? Sadiq Ali. Hi, Masarat Fatima. Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, hi.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Masarat. Masarat, I will tell you what you have to do. Yes. 1 minute. Yes. Sadiq. 1 minute, Sadiq. 1 minute. Listen, okay, everyone. Listen. I am sharing pictures with you. You can see that already I have shared these pictures in Google Classroom. Okay? आप आराम से वहां से देखकर you can draw your drawings. Okay?
मैम मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा.
I have stopped sharing. I have stopped sharing. Just wait. Okay. So Masrat Fatima, welcome to the class. Hi, she's new student. See, Masrat Fatima has joined in a class.
मैम हमारी के नई बुक है.
नई बुक है तो you give it to me.
Ma'am, I am the new book.
I will take all new books. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So I told you that with the shapes we are going to make cartoon characters. Fine. So organic shapes and we have geometric shapes. So I'm going to share one more picture how to make the cartoon characters with lines. It's very funny. See this?
Ma'am, it's Ketali.
Very nice. See this cartoon character? You have straight lines, curved lines, zigzag lines, slanting lines, horizontal, scallops, wavy lines. Very funny na cartoon characters. Now you got it. How to make the cartoon characters with shape. It is really funny na. Hello everyone. Connell, it is good. Okay. So next one more I'll show you. Where it's gone.
मैं किसको भी ना दे रहा है वो. Ma'am, see, I have sketches. So many sketches.
Okay.
So many sketches today.
1 minute.
Mickey color, orange color, purple, pink.
I'll share one more with you. Can you see this basic geometric shapes cartoon?
मैम मैं मैजिक करूं.
Yeah, wait, I'll tell you what you have to do. I'll tell you. 1 minute, I'll tell you what you have to do. You have to wait for a minute.
मैम देखिए हमारे पापा यहाँ पे थे. करा यहाँ पे.
Okay. So I'll stop sharing this.
Why?
See this one now. This is very funny. See this? So funny na? With simple lines. Yes.
मैम वो फनी नहीं है.
यार क्लास स्टार्ट करो.
क्या?
Hello. Hello everyone. Excuse me. Now it's over. Hello, hi Fatima, Masrat. You can see the cartoons.
Yes.
मसरत आपका माइक ऑन करिए. आपको समझ में आया मसरत?
मैम मेरे पास ये देखो कितने सारे स्केचेस हैं.
मैं आ रही लेने के लिए. 1 minute. Just listen to me everyone. I'll be cuttif with you then. I'll be cuttif. अच्छा listen to me first. तो मसरत आपको कार्टून कैरेक्टर समझ में आए? You got it? Hello मसरत. Yes. मसरत आपका माइक बंद है. हेलो मसरत. शेप समझ में आए आपको?
नो मैम.
हेलो.
नो मैम.
नहीं समझ में आए आपको?
नो मैम.
Okay, fine. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, I'm showing you over here. Let me, what pictures will do? See, can you see the picture now? तो हम लोग इसको ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं. How we are going to draw?
Ma'am, so funny.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
मैम कार्डबोर्ड पे करना है ड्रॉ.
नहीं बेटा, आपको आपकी ड्राइंग बुक में करना है. See, I'm showing it over here. How you have to draw this? See, there is a circle. Ding 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 ding, and two, and one line. And उसको यहाँ से उसका हाथ जा रहा है. Fine. And legs. Fine. Very simple drawing. These are with lines. We have drawn a circle, curve, dot. We have learned dotted lines now. These are 2 dots. And we have learned curves, slanting line, straight line, all those now. With those lines, you are creating cartoon characters.
ड्राइंग बुक नहीं मिल रही है.
पेपर में ड्रॉ करिए.
मैम क्या मैं स्केचेस से ड्रॉ कर पाऊंगी?
No, you have to draw with pencil first.
Okay. मैम हमारी ड्राइंग बुक नहीं मिल रही है। सुमैया
Do it.
ग्रीन एंड गाजियम है।
Do it in a paper. Do
Yes,
it in
ma'am.
a paper. Okay, fine. Do it in a paper. It is already there in Google Classroom. I'm just showing it over here. Fine. So you can do it from classroom. Fine.
मैम मैं पेपर पे ड्रॉ कर सकती क्या?
Yes, you can draw, but later on you have to do it in your drawing book. आपको drawing book में भी करना है. And one more, next picture we'll see. 1 minute. We'll see with the next picture.
मैम
Yes. Yes, tell
हमारे
me.
ड्राइंग बुक नहीं है मैम।
मसरत, आप कोई भी एक रफ नोट में कर लीजिए, फिर ड्राइंग बुक में फेयर कर लेना. ओके
मैम उम्मीद है ओके मैम मेरी
Okay, thank you.
बनाइए खाली बात वाला।
क्या हुआ?
ऐसा क्या करना है? हमें कैसे ड्राइंग करना है? अरे
Hello everyone. If you stop talking, then only I will show you. Otherwise, I will not show.
मैम ये भी करना है?
Beta, listen. Listen to me first. I am just showing you a practical work over here. How to do the drawing of lines. All these pictures are there in Google Classroom. Later on, nicely you can sit and see the picture and do the drawing in your drawing book. Okay?
मैम हम कल भी नाइट वाइब भी टाटा बाय बाय हो गया।
हिलना नहीं
हम कल भी है।
Fine.
नहीं अब लाइक साइड करो। अब मैं खुद आप करिए। मैम हम भी कर लिए।
Draw करिए.
Ma'am, I don't have current.
अम्मी बर्न दिख रहा है टीचर का।
See, got it? No, listen to me. I am drawing on the board, so it will look big. No need of drawing too big. You have to draw small in the drawing book.
Can you send me my mother's?
All these 9 pictures should come in your drawing book in one page, half a page. Okay? Let me explain, everyone. Yeah, just listen to me. Whatever pictures I'm showing you, I'm just showing how to do the drawing part. Okay, all these pictures already have saved in Google Classroom. I have shared with you. Later on, you can sit nicely. Okay, आराम से बैठ के you can sit nicely, see the pictures and do the drawing. So, drawing of lines. Lines का जो cartoons है, you are going to draw, divide your drawing page into half. Half वाला आप ये drawing करेंगे, Mr. K. And next one more stick drawing is there, na? Lines, this one. I'll show. This characters. This both the lines drawing should be there in one page only. Okay? All the characters. Fine. Later on in next page, you're going to do the drawing of shapes. Which shapes? I'll just show you. Wait. Drawing of shapes. See cartoon characters with shape. Can you see this? Smiley and all. Star is there, square, circle, heart, diamonds, triangle is there, rhombus is there, and oval shape is there. All characters you have. So you're going to do it in this way. Fine. So I was just showing you the examples how to draw it. Sometimes you don't get it ना मैम, उसको कैसा फ्री हैंड ड्रॉ करना है, तो आई एम शोइंग यू दैट. Fine. So next will be we'll draw with triangle now. See, this is the triangle. अब हम इसके अंदर जरूरी नहीं है कि हम सेम टू सेम ड्रॉ करें. Got it? Fine. हम इसको अगर बड़ा बताना है तो we can draw one more box. ओके, तो हम यहाँ पे उसके हाथ बना देंगे. इसके पैर बना देंगे छोटे छोटे. कंपलसरी नहीं है कि हम उतना ही कार्टून कैरेक्टर रखें. वी कैन क्रिएट अवर ओन कार्टून कैरेक्टर. सी, मैंने बना दिया ऐसी. यू कैन कलर दिस. हम इसको कलर भी कर सकते हैं. सी, ब्यूटीफुल कार्टून कैरेक्टर. फाइन. तो हम स्लोली स्लोली पूरे कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे बनाएंगे. So shall I stop sharing and we'll talk now? I just want to talk to you all. We'll talk now. Wait. I'll ask the questions with you. You're going to tell me. Fine. No.
Ma'am. I will tell. Ma'am, I have to make the first. Can I tell you? I will tell. Ma'am, hello.
1 minute.
Here to be all different. Ma'am, I will talk in the last.
1 minute.
Why
1
you
minute.
talk?
Yeah. So I'm just asking with you. Nusratullah has come. So Nusratullah is also come. So here 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Yeah. Tell me. Hello. What happened? Tell me.
मैम हमें कार्टून कैरेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है.
Yes.
मैंने बना भी लिया. क्या मैं शुरू करूं मैम?
अभी नहीं. Later on. I have already shared all the pictures in Google Classroom. मैंने थोड़ा सा ड्रॉ करके यहाँ पे बोर्ड पे दिखा दिया है. I have already shared the pictures. Later on आराम से बैठ के आप पिक्चर्स देख के ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. I want all the things should be there in your drawing book, and you have to send me the photograph of your drawing how you did. So I have shared the cartoons of lines. Very good, very good, very good. How to make cartoons with lines and with shapes and with organic shapes. I have shared it.
मैम I'm doing coloring. मैम I'm doing coloring.
Ali Asghar, please wait. Yes, Masrat, tell me.
माइकल क्लास बुक मैम.
Masrat, आप Google Classroom नहीं है आपके पास? मैं आपको उसका लिंक इनवाइट करती हूँ. मैं आपको इनविटेशन भिजाती हूँ Google Classroom का. ओके मसरत? ओके फाइन. ओके
मैम.
यस
मैम I am no book class.
यस सादिक अली.
I am no Google class.
You don't have Google Classroom. How is that possible? I have invited you na beta. 1 minute, I'll check. I will check for Masrat also and for you also. I'm just checking. Sadiq Ali, where are you? सादिक अली, वी हैव इनवाइटेड यू. आपने अपना मेल खोलकर नहीं देखा है. आपका ईमेल जब खोलेंगे आप, उसमें इनविटेशन रहता है, यू हैव टू ज्वाइन देयर. गूगल क्लासरूम का इनविटेशन आया आपके ईमेल आईडी पे, स्कूल ईमेल आईडी पे. सादिक अली क्या है आपका स्कूल ईमेल आईडी, उसके ऊपर है. उसको क्लिक करके अंदर एक ब्लू लिंक आता है ज्वाइन बोल के, आप ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आप गूगल क्लासरूम में जाएंगे. मसरत, फॉर यू द सेम थिंग. मसरत, आपके लिए भी सेम चीज है. आप अपना ईमेल आईडी खोलिए जीमेल पे. आप ईमेल आईडी खोलेंगे तो आपका लिंक उसमें है. ओके, गूगल क्लासरूम का.
यस मैम.
ओके फाइन.
मैम हम हमारा ओन कैरेक्टर बनाना, उसको हम कलरिंग करना छुप छुप के.
अलीसा, अनीसा. ओके फाइन. सो व्हाट, अभी मुझे ये बोलो, इन ऑल दिस 2 weeks what we have learned. I have showed you elements of art, lines, shapes, organic shapes, geometric shapes, 2D and 3D shapes. Okay, can you name any 2 lines what I have taught you? Okay, Kaun and Fatima.
मैम प्लेगिंग लाइन. Wait.
No, I'm asking about lines, beta. I'm asking about lines. 2 different lines
मैम
name.
प्लेगिंग लाइन and short line. But
Lines. You have to tell me about lines.
not about shape, मैम.
नहीं, shapes का बाद में. अभी आप बोलो कि आपने इतने सारे lines सीखे ना. Give me 2 names of the lines.
Beginning line and standing line, sleeping line.
Okay, fine. It is not. Okay. Fine. Okay. And
Beginning line.
Zainab Unisa, tell me 2 names of the lines. 1 minute, one by one. Zainab Unisa, tell me the names of the lines, 2 lines.
Curve line and sliding line.
Okay, slanting line. Okay. Mehvin, Ghazia Mehvin, can you tell me 2 shapes? Mehvin, Ghazia Mehvin.
Dragon line.
Hello, Ghazia Mehvin. Can you tell me 2 shapes name? Sumayya, where are you? Okay, Hasnain Agha. Hello, Hasnain. Hasnain Agha, on your mic. Yeah, tell me 2 names of shapes. बोलिए जल्दी. शेप्स के नेम्स बोलिए. आपने बहुत सारे शेप्स सीखे ना क्लास में. Can you name 2? Very good, Mirza. Hasnain, come on, tell me the names. Hello, Hasnain. Hasnain Agha. I can't hear you. Can you name 2 shapes? Yes. Okay, one more.
Triangle.
Okay, Nusratullah. Hi, Nusratullah. Yeah, can you name 2 shapes?
Yeah.
आप 2 shapes के name बोलेंगे. What are the shapes? Like there are 2 shapes ना. मैंने different shapes बताए थे ना.
Tell the shapes name.
Hello, Nusratullah. हाँ.
Ma'am, one in nothing and one in nothing.
Yeah, 1 cube and one more. One more.
And star.
Okay, very good, Nusratullah. Nusratullah, very good, thank you. Zainab Fatima, can you on your mic? Zainab Fatima, mic on करिए.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, can you name 2
Ma'am,
shapes?
can I tell now?
1 minute, I'll tell you. 2 shapes name.
Triangle, circle.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yeah, Conan, can you give me 2 names?
Ma'am, I have 4 names.
I want to.
But I have 4.
Okay, tell me fast.
So, a triangle, square, circle, rectangle.
Okay, fine. Hasnain Hussain. Hasnain Hussain. Mic
And
on
hat
करिए.
also, ma'am. Thin line,
Hasnain Hussain. Can you?
thin line, short line,
Okay, shapes.
long line.
नहीं, shapes का नाम बोलिए.
Ma'am, so much of differences.
Circle, triangle, rectangle.
Very good, very good, very good. Thank you, Hasnain. Thank you so much. So you all are very good students. So you all know the names of the shapes and lines. Very good. So we'll do one thing. Masra, she has logged out. And Sadiq Ali, already invitation has gone to you.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, listen, अगर Google Classroom आपका on नहीं होता है, तो tell your mom to give me a call. I will talk to her, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. So you all of you do one thing. What we'll do, you just on your Google Classroom, start drawing the shapes. I want everyone should complete that drawing today only, at least one part. Like with lines, I have showed you, na, cartoon characters with lines. You finish that today. Okay, is photographs are there in Google Classroom. Go and check the photographs. Everyone, please check the photographs in Google Classroom and start doing your work. Okay, fine. Fine, dear everyone.
टीचर हमारे से टीचर हमारे से नहीं पूछते थे
मैं भूल गई, सादिक से नहीं पूछी थी ना मैं. Okay, Sadik, tell me now. Tell me 3 shapes and 2 lines.
line, dog line,
Okay,
line, line.
very good, very good. And shapes,
shape,
photograph.
goal, circle.
Okay, and one more.
Yes, ma'am. I am one drawing. Give me, ma'am. I am
Okay,
drawing B, ma'am.
okay.
I am
Fine.
shift, ma'am. Google,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am.
Yes.
गूगल क्लासरूम में अभी करना है मैम, और गूगल क्लासरूम में फोटोग्राफ्स देख के.
हाँ, अभी करना है, आपको स्टार्ट करना है अभी.
कार्टून के फोटोग्राफ्स है वो.
हाँ, कार्टून्स के फोटोग्राफ्स है वो, अभी स्टार्ट करना है आपको. या टेल मी डियर. यस, अभी करना है आप लोगों को. Yes, you have to do now because listen. I am giving you a time to do now. I have assigned you work in Google Classroom. I have explained you. I have drawn on the board also. I showed you how to do the drawing. Now you are going to see the photograph in Google Classroom and do the drawing, okay? And send me the photograph in that assignment only. I have given the name of the assignment. Wait, I will tell you what is the name of the assignment. It is cartoon characters. 1 minute.
मैम देखिए हम बकरी उतारे.
Okay. See, it is the name is cartoon characters with lines and shapes. Okay. If you click this, you get the instructions. See, cartoon characters with shapes and lines. I have sent the photographs also, reference photographs. See, already I have shared the photographs. Click one photograph. See, you will get like this. So you have to draw this and color. You can color your own colors. It's not compulsory कि यहाँ पे green है तो मैं green ही करूँगी. You can color anything, okay? And one more is, see this, organic shape cartoons. आपको जैसे draw करना आता है draw करिए. It is not like कि I want to draw the same thing. It's not coming. No need of worrying. Whatever you draw, it is called cartoon character, okay? It should be in your own shape. Fine. So one more is
मैम करो.
so already I have shared the photos. You can check the photographs and do the cartoon characters. Fine.
क्या हो गया?
Okay, very good, very good. Thank
अरे
you.
बिल लोड हो हाँ वो एडिटर क्या करना है?
Sumayya, you are seeing it. Ghazia Mehri. Okay. Okay.
for their roommate.
2 minutes. Hello. Everyone is doing your work. You all are doing your work. Very good.
रोना नहीं सीधा बोलना नहीं बोलना.
Hello. What happened?
मैम आपके पीछे कोई तो भी है.
मेरे पीछे मेरे बच्चे हैं. मेरा बेटा है और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स है. मेरे स्टूडेंट्स है बेटा. I take मेरे स्टूडेंट्स है, अपने स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स है. Yes, yes मिर्जा.
बताओ बोलिए.
No. Your class is going on. They are higher section students.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me, dear. Yes, Zainab, tell me.
We will drawing shapes.
After completing the drawing, you have to share send a photograph in Google Classroom after you complete.
Ma'am, can I leave the class? We will drawing shapes.
Yeah, you have to draw shapes, lines, everything. Whatever photographs are shared with you, you have to do that. Oops.
तीसरी बार जाइए मैंने मस्जिद में चले गए यार लाइट को लाइट में निकल जा रही आज भी मस्जिद में चले गए. अजी हादी वो दुकान
खोल दो. अभी मेरी वैसे भी मेरी क्लास खत्म होती.
मेरी भी हो गई क्लास. 2 से 3 बजे.
अब उन लोग को लॉग आउट हो जाना पड़ेगा. Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. What happened? Hello. Hello. Hello, everyone. नहीं करना next time. समझ गए ना? Idiot. क्लास चल रही तो.
मेरे को क्या मालूम था कुर्ते उठा के फोकस अटक गए सब।
हेलो
Hello.
हेलो, व्हाट हैपेंड? हेलो, टेल मी. हेलो, या ज़ैनब उन्निसा, टेल मी.
Yes, teacher, ma'am.
ज़ैनब, टेल मी. हेलो ज़ैनब.
Ma'am.
हेलो.